Hey, this is Bobby with Voltage, and today I wanted to talk to you about the review problem on the internet. If you didn't know this already, many of the reviews on the internet are fake. They're from bots. They're not legitimate. A lot of reviews actually come from getting paid to leave a review. If you haven't experienced this, there are services out there that will pay you in gift cards for leaving reviews for a business. And if you think about this and just back up for a second, no one is going to be incentivized to leave a 1 or 2 star review when they're going to get paid. As a consumer, that would make me think that if I leave a bad review, they're not going to pay me. So I'm going to leave a good review simply because I want to get paid. This leads to a problem because we all know that, number one, people love to leave bad reviews in general on bad experiences to share, but it's challenging to actually get good reviews. The other piece is a lot of reviews are fake, and there's this incentive structure in brands that purely focus on generating reviews by rewarding customers after the fact for doing so. I actually ordered a package off of Amazon the other day, and it came with a sheet of paper that said, hey, if you leave a review for our product, we'll give you a $50 Amazon gift card. Pretty wild, huh? What I see being done and how this can potentially be improved from a user experience perspective is by leveraging the Lightning Network. How I think this would work is when someone leaves a review, there's an associated cost to it. So you have to pay in sats to leave a review. But more importantly, there's an incentive structure for you to do so, where if that review is helpful, you can actually earn sats. And people who validate the truth of your review, it helps you earn sats because now you are actively sharing a review that is making a material impact. So there needs to be some form of cost in order to interact and leave a review. What this actually creates is a community and almost reward mechanism to where when people leave good reviews or bad reviews, and it's an accurate reflection of customer experience, other customers down the line can leave a note, comment, or engage and say, this review was accurate. And what it does is, just like with Wikipedia, what's really interesting is something like 96% of people who use Wikipedia do not contribute. I think maybe 1% to 2% actually manage Wikipedia. There's not even an incentive structure on Wikipedia to encourage people to want to give back. Imagine if every time you gave back to Wikipedia and added value, you could earn something of sorts. You get noted as an expert, as a verified content adder. It's the same thing with reviews. Within this system that either one brand could build this product or a brand could simply implement it themselves, it actually creates a system where those who leave accurate reviews and give good information get rewarded for doing so. And there's also an associated cost which kills the bots. Why I think this is important is because so many reviews on the internet are fake. They're not accurate. And as a digital marketer, for the last 10 years, I've always been a part of these systems where whenever you email someone for a review, you might have like a thumbs up that funnels them to a public place and a thumbs down that funnels someone to a customer service form, and the review never sees the light of day. It just goes to the customer service team. And what this actually creates is a system where the only reviews that are discoverable are the good ones. All bad reviews are hidden. What really stimulated and created this idea for me was I went to a restaurant downtown, had incredible ratings online. The first time I went, I had a pretty gross experience. They gave me a coupon to come in for free, get a new entree. I did that and went in again. I had the same experience. They gave me a coupon again to come back, and I just said, I'm done with it. I'm not doing this again. And it's just kind of sad because the fact that I go in and have the exact same experience twice, I learned a hard lesson. These reviews on the internet are not accurate, and there's a way we can solve for this. So I want to plant that seed. This is something that can be done on the Lightning Network in one of many use cases. Create an incentive structure where there's a cost to leave a review, eliminating bots. And part 2, if you actually add true value, good reviews, bad reviews, whatever, and they're verified by others to be accurate, you can actually earn sats as well. And brands want to see this because brands that actually do well and give an incredible customer experience, they want this to go on, right? Because they're doing well, they know their reviews will be good. This is gonna also allow the cream to rise to the top. This is going to eliminate bad companies and create a fair system for everyone where we only see real reviews, no reviews are hidden, and there's an incentive mechanism for customers. And at the end of the day, like we love to say, the people run America, not the government. The customers decide who stay in business, not the businesses. And this is a tool and an incentive mechanism that takes control and just puts it in the hands of the consumer. It allows them to be rewarded for adding value. It allows them to really serve and do what we rely on word of mouth for, friends and family. It builds trust. So I hope this is helpful in painting a picture on how the Lightning Network can be used. I plan on sharing more ideas and things like this. Some technical people may say, we need to tweak this, we need to do that, this is possible, that's not. Either way, it's an example. It tells you what the Lightning Network can do. So I would encourage you to dig deep, build, come up with ideas, share them, because this technology is going to transform the internet. Thank you for tuning in, and look forward to sharing more with you.